Welcome back to Helper. Today, we're going to dive into POPP Planet token, also known as $P or POPP. This crypto coin is integral to the POPP Planet ecosystem, and this guide will show you how to buy it. It's available on several platforms and chains, so let's get started. RST, let's understand what POPP Planet token actually is. POPP Planet is an ecosystem, and $P is the key that unlocks its features. The token has various utilities, including staking, governance, and making purchases within the POPP Planet environment. Regarding tokenomics, it has a fixed total supply and a specific distribution model. Where can you buy $P? Currently, it's listed on exchanges like MEXC Global. Additionally, it's supported on multiple blockchains, including BNB chain, Ethereum, and the Mantle chain. Let's go through the process of buying $P on MEXC Global. First, you'll need to create an account on MEXC Global, and there's a link provided to make registration easy. Next, complete the KYC verification process. After that, deposit funds, like USDT, BTC, or ETH, into your account, keeping in mind the deposit methods and minimum amounts required. Navigate to the $P trading pair, and then place a buy order, choosing between a market order for immediate purchase or a limit order at a specific price. Confirm the transaction, and remember to store your $P securely after the purchase. You prefer using the BNB chain, also known as BSC, you'll need a wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet that's compatible with BSC, as well as some BNB to cover gas fees. Using PancakeSwap as an example, connect your wallet to PancakeSwap. Ensure you have enough BNB to pay for the transaction fees. Select BNB as the from token and $P as the to token. Enter the amount of BNB you want to swap, set your slippage tolerance, approve the transaction, and confirm it in your wallet. Once completed, you'll receive $P in your wallet, but you might need to manually add the token contract address to see it. Are purchasing $P on Ethereum, the prerequisites are similar. A wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet that's compatible with Ethereum, and some ETH for gas fees. Using Uniswap, connect your wallet. Make sure you have ETH to cover gas. Select ETH as the from token and $P as the to token. Enter the ETH amount you want to swap, set your slippage tolerance, and approve the transaction, confirming in your wallet. The $P will then appear in your wallet, and just like with BSC, you may need to manually add the token contract address. You are buying $P on the Mantle chain. You will need MetaMask or another wallet compatible with the Mantle chain and $MNT for gas fees. Using a DX, decentralized exchange, on Mantle, connect your wallet, ensuring you have $MNT for fees. Select $MNT as the from token and $P as the to token, and enter the amount of $MNT you want to swap. After setting the slippage tolerance, approve the transaction and confirm it within your wallet. Finally, receive $P in your wallet, remembering that you might need to manually add the token contract address. Be sure to adapt these instructions depending on the specific Mantle DX you are using. Before you start buying and storing crypto, it's vital to consider security. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and store your private keys securely, ideally using a cold wallet. Be cautious of phishing scams, interact only with verified and official websites, and absolutely never share your seed phrase. Conclusion: this guide walked you through the process of buying POPP Planet token. Remember to always do your own research before investing. The POPP Planet ecosystem has potential, so consider buying $P and participating in the community. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper.